Okay, my people, I received a lot of requests for a video on how to make the traditional mofongo. So here is. This is the traditional basic mofongo that they do in Puerto Rico. So follow me step by step. It's not too hard. I'm gonna accompany that with this pork chop, this huge pork chop. So what do you need? You need green plantains. They have to be green plantains. You see how they are? These are not green bananas. They're called green plantains. You can find them in the supermarket. It's plantains, not bananas. And they have to be green just like that. You peel the skin off, and all you have this is actual plantains here. And we're gonna cut them in little chunks. You cut them in chunks like that to make it easy because this is gonna be deep fried. Deep fried. So here you have three big plantains, and I'm gonna pair them today with this huge tomahawk pork chop. And I like to make some cuts here on the skin so the seasoning goes in there. And also when it's deep fried, this is gonna be like oh my goodness, like pork skin, super super crunchy as well. So that's all you need. And we're gonna now season this. You can season it with any seasoning of your preference. I use this total seasoning, Badia total seasoning. You can use something else. I'm also gonna put this SPG, which is salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Equal equal amounts of salt, pepper, and garlic. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them all over both sides and also the rims as well. So you use any seasoning that you like. I just happen to like this combination a lot, especially for this deep fried pork chop. And I'm gonna use a sazon here just because it's gonna add some color. You can also use paprika and it will get the same coloring, but I just like this sazon Goya. It gives it some flavor and color as well. Remember, this is not the center of our video. This is just something I'm gonna pair that mofongo with. I know you're here for the mofongo, but just follow me. I'm gonna go with the mofongo in a minute. Mofongo is so easy that people won't believe it. It is so easy that even you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So there you have it. I season my pork chop here. And for the mofongo, you need one of these actually, because you are gonna need to smash that plantain. So we're gonna deep fry the plantains medium heat, and you're looking for a nice golden color. You cannot go over it because it will be too dry, and you should not pull them too early because they're not gonna be done. So 3 to 5 minutes, medium heat, and that's the color you're looking for. You see how it's golden on the sides. It doesn't look overcooked. It's not burned. Now this is ready, so I'm gonna go from the oil straight here in my pilon. You can use the Mexican molcajete as well, but I'm using this pilon here, or anything that you can smash the plantains in there. In the meantime, I'm gonna deep fry my pork chop here. I'm gonna deep fry this pork chop for about 3 minutes on each side. If you don't have a deep fryer that fits the whole thing, you're gonna have to do like me. You have to do one side. Be conscious. You don't want that oil to overflow. So that's ready. So going back to the mofongo, you follow me in the video here. I'm gonna put some olive oil here, olive oil, and some butter, a few butter chunks, and fresh garlic. When the plantains are hot off the oil, they're gonna actually melt that butter, and you add salt and pepper to taste. You can taste this along the way. I'm gonna add some garlic salt as well. You can taste this as you smash them to make sure that it has the right flavor. You don't want to over salt it, but it actually needs some flavor. So all you have to do is mash these all together so it is totally smashed at the end, and then you're gonna flip it over or serve it on a plate. In this case, I'm gonna keep it here in the same long. So you see, I flip them over, and there you have it. I'm gonna add some butter, melted butter with garlic on top of it, and there you have it. Traditional Puerto Rican mofongo. You can review the tape if you want. Go step by step, pause it, but it's not too hard. Just deep fry it, and it will go the long way. There you have it, mofongo, traditional mofongo from Puerto Rico. Enjoy.